I don't plan on yapping all the way through the video. I'll get the information out there, chime in when I can, and let you just relax and hear the relaxing sights and sounds of detailing. Before we get started here, if you're watching new to the channel, subscribe, hit that notification button. It will let you know when we have new content out for you, and we do on a regular basis. Also, if the video helps, maybe give it a thumbs up. If it doesn't, thumbs down. Leave a comment down below, and it really does help the channel, and I thank you for that. With the floor mats cleaned, and I favor the McKee's Floor Mat Rejuvenator, cleaned, rinsed, thoroughly dried, we can put them to the side and start to vac up the carpeting first. We're going to start with the carpet, and a thorough vac kicks things off. I'm going to grab the Stoner Car Care Upholstery and Carpet Foamer Cleaner, and we're going to team that up with a brush. Now, this brush is not going to have aggressively stiff bristles. Medium, maybe even leaning towards soft, because this older material, the older upholstery and carpeting, we do not want to fray the tired, brittle material, so we're going to be careful. And we'll lay some foam down. We'll do a little bit of agitation. There's not crazy stains here to worry about. And then we'll thoroughly vac from there. When it comes to the pleather and the remaining plastics and all the other hard surfaces, we're going to grab the Bola Solutions Maximizer I-43, and that is a leather car care cleaner and conditioner, and it's easy on the material, yet effective. As you're going to see, keep an eye on the towels that I flip over and show you what type of dirt we're pulling off of there. And we'll team that up with detailing brushes and scrub brushes and all types of tools. Now with all the upholstery and carpeting and pleather and plastics and all hard surfaces cleaned and freshened up, we can grab the IGL EcoShine Dash. This is a protectant and conditioner. It goes on a little glossy, but as you let it cure, it just makes the piece of material that you're treating look nice and new and fresh again. So we're going to go around and condition all of those hard surfaces. Well, for Pete's sake, can we get these things out of somebody's dinglies are getting way too close to my face for comfort. Anyways, all we got to do is continue around with the EcoShine, get it on all of the hard surfaces, and it won't take long at all. It goes on easy. If you need to follow up with a microfiber just to kick things back again and level things off, avoid high spots, no problem. You can do that as well. And there we go. It's nice and fresh and clean once again. Doesn't smell like hot pepper cabbage stuffed in a bowling shoe anymore. And the customer will be happy to go for ice cream or for groceries in his classic Ford Galaxie. Let me know what you guys think. That's how I approach the classics, antiques, collectibles. There's so many ways to go about it, but I know it's clean and fresh now without getting overly aggressive. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. Always a pleasure to spend a few minutes with you throughout the day or evening. I'll catch you guys in the next video.